Welcome all to our channel GTech Fluent. Our today's topic number 14 in ASP.NET Core video series is MVC Architecture in ASP.NET Core. So in this video, we'll discuss and understand what is meant by MVC, how MVC works, what is ASP.NET Core MVC, and what are the new features into the ASP.NET Core MVC. So let's start. First we see what is meant by MVC. So MVC stands for the model, view, and the controller. The model view controller is an architectural pattern separates an application into the three main components, and that main components are model, views, and the controller. So this pattern helps us to achieve the separation of the concerns. The model is a set of classes that describe the data type are you working with as well as the business logic which you are working. View is responsible for how the application UI will be displayed, and it is purely HTML which decide how the UI is going to look like. The controller is a set of classes that handle the communication from the user, overall application flow, and the application specific logic. So we will discuss this concept later in our upcoming videos in more details. So almost all the languages uses the MVC architecture, or you can say the patterns, with a slight variation, but conceptually it remains the same. So now let's see how MVC works. Suppose user request to the your web application. So first request go to the controller. Controller process your request and identify the appropriate model which process your logic or get the data, and it return to your particular view. Returns the response to the view which is user able to see as a end response. So if you want to understand the more on the MVC request in detail, you can watch our previous videos on the request processing. On that video, we have explained the each step how the MVC or the request pipeline get executed in ASP.NET Core MVC. So now let's see what is meant by the ASP.NET Core MVC. So ASP.NET Core MVC is a lightweight, open source, highly testable framework. So this allows us to use the MVC architecture. So this ASP.NET Core MVC framework allows us to create the web application as well as web API using the MVC design pattern. Now let's see the features of the ASP.NET Core MVC. So these are the features. Some of the features from these are old, but in the ASP.NET Core MVC, it is getting improved considering the usability and easy to use. The new feature I have marked as a bold. So these are the totally new feature into the ASP.NET Core MVC. Some of them are tag helper. We will be discussing this into our upcoming videos. Dependency injection, which we have already covered into our previous videos, and also we are covering the testability and view component into our upcoming videos. So we will cover these features into our upcoming videos. So these are the general overview of the MVC architecture. We will be see how we set up the MVC into our next upcoming videos. So please let us know if anyone has any query or a doubt. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.